This is my car. This is
there anybody in
my
there?
car. This is my car.
Is this your car?
Yes.
What happened?
I don't know, maybe fire inside.
Yeah?
Because my family, Dad, fire, fire. My family's over there. They're scaring me. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Did you call the police?
Yes. And 20 minutes outside, I don't know what happened.
Oh, God. Thank God you got out all right.
Mm-hmm.
Jeez. What kind of car is it?
Explorer?
Explorer.
Yes.
What year?
2000?
2000?
Yes.
Wow. I thought somebody was burning trash.
Be careful, maybe the gasoline.
I don't know. I've never seen one like that.
Yeah.
Except in the